a city where buildings touch the sky. A couple tends to their patch, small and spry. Long bean seedlings wrapped in soil's embrace. Dreams are green within this concrete place. Long bean, they rise and twine. Watering, watering, watering time after time. Hands in the dirt, hearts planted deep, finding joy in what they sow and reap. With every bean that starts to sprout, they water and care without a doubt. Care, care, care beneath the sun's glow. Their urban garden love continues to grow. Amid the horns and hustle they find their peace. Rows of green growing piece by piece. Long bean seedlings make their mark. Tiny leaves glowing in the urban dark. Neighbors stop and marvel at the sight. City life and nature in a blend so right. They smile and nod, a knowing glance. In each long bean vine, they find romance. With every bean that starts to sprout, they water and care without a doubt. Care, care, care beneath the sun's glow. Their urban garden love continues to grow. Their urban bean that starts to sprout, they water and care without a doubt. Care, care, care beneath the sun's glow. Their urban garden love continues to grow. Their urban garden love continues to grow. In the city chaos where the buildings grow, there's a couple tending to their long bean slow. From tiny seeds to stalks so tall in their urban garden, away from it all. With each sunrise, gentle hands at play, planting dreams in the soil come what may. They sow the seeds and they watch them sprout. Long beans stretching, reaching out. Long bean, 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 they plant with care. Watering, watering love's in the air. Care, care, care with every green vine. In the city's heart their love will shine. Evening spent beneath the city light, hands in the dirt, everything feels right. Together they kneel, earth under their feet. Nurturing love makes life sweet. It ain't just plants that grow up strong. In that little garden love belongs. Urban sprawl can't dim their flame. Through the long beans growth they stake their claim. Neighbors watch from windows high, wonder how these farmers in the city get by. With love and patience they make it through, building their dreams side by side anew. Long bean, 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 they plant with care. Watering, watering, love's in the air. Care, care, care with every green vine. In the city's heart their love will shine. Long bean, 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 they plant with care. Watering, watering, love's in the air. Care, care, care with every green vine. In the city's heart their love will shine. Evening spent beneath the city light, hands in the dirt, everything feels right.